rib too. What? I like 'em athletic brown hair. Down to smoke something and gon' be with me when the smoke clear. Light it up, no fears. Legendary, status of a goat here. What am I supposed to wear? Jewelry in both my ears, chrome every layer. Smoke veggies while you niggas smoke Reggie. Always ready, shoot the shot, no hezzy. Got responsibility, when you rich the crown get heavy. I'm rich cause my soul's not empty. My kids here with me, I live simply. Gym every day, some bones getting cleaned. Just seen Ty low riding on the stream. Me and Spitter talk, new album on the way. I'm filling ashtrays, accountability pays. I'm doing positivity plays. Khalifa Kush strains, less to lose, more to gain. I could never do this for the fame. My happy place is a jacuzzi in the rain. Fuck what they say, I'll probably never change. I'ma always be a tailor, fuck what they say, I'll probably never change. I'ma always be a tailor, fuck what they say, I'll probably never change. I'ma always be a tailor, fuck what they say, I'll probably never change. I'ma always be a tailor.
I could take you all new places. Exclusive shit ain't no more basic. I'm the one, ain't no replacement. Khalifa Kush here to want you taste it. They let us do what we want cause we famous, famous. What can I say, became the realest and stayed in. The money ain't change us, ain't change us, won't change cause we came. The money ain't change us, ain't change us, won't change cause we came. The money ain't change us, ain't change us, won't change cause we came. The money ain't change us.
Who would've thought, this the car that I bought. From where I'm from, the wars that I fought. Now every day I see horses a lot. The sun's out, I ain't forcing the top. The more I hustle hard, the more that I got. Learned a lot of lessons hiding earth from the cops. Whether it was worth it or not, I put in the work, earning my spot. Now when massage come to my house when I call, I got separate driveways for all of my cars. I step in my closet, it look like the mall. Tell my son to go shopping like he at the store. DJ at the grow up, tell him I need some more. Why you got a dirty bong, you should clean it before. Smell weed at the door, if I'm at your hotel, smell weed on the floor. Come from nothing, now we living comfortably. I'm the plug on the tree, another W stream, another YouTube post every day of the week. Nothing but Taylor's in the chat, TGOD. I got my own street. This her third time over here, she on the street. Bong rips before we go to sleep, chrome everything. Fuck what they say, I'll probably never change. I'ma always be a tailor, fuck what they say, I'll probably never change. I'ma always be a tailor, fuck what they say, I'll probably never change. I'ma always be a tailor, fuck what they say, I'll probably never change. I'ma always be a tailor.
I could take you all new places. Exclusive shit ain't no more basic. I'm the one, ain't no replacement. Khalifa Kush here to want you tasting. They let us do what we want cause we famous, famous. What can I say, became the realest and stayed in. The money ain't change us, ain't change us, won't change cause we came. The money ain't change us, ain't change us, won't change cause we came. The money ain't change us, ain't change us, won't change cause we came. The money ain't change us.
Damn, the whole gang here, the whole gang here. What's poppin' chat? They never gonna change us, man. Happy Monday. Happy Monday, chat. Damn, the whole gang's here. Wait, let me say hi to everybody. Chill, chill, chill. Don't type too fast, chat. Don't type too fast. What's poppin' Quad? Veloxis, Forts, Wijaja, Omar, Zudo, welcome to the stream.
Joints at a time. I'm good, the bong rip too. What?
What's poppin', chat?
Athletic brown hair, down to smoke
Hold on. Oh, chat. Chat. We got a new order already. The day just started and we just got a new order. I'll explain everything about the order in a few. Let me first welcome everybody to the class. To the classroom of the day. It's Great Monday, chat. I knew it was going to be a great Monday. Let me change the music, chat, so we don't get copyrighted. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Alright, we should be good. We should be good with some smooth, chill vibes on the back. Oh, Aldin, I forgot, man. I've been a bit in work mode as well, Aldin, all day. So I forgot, man. But don't worry, we'll do it as an outro, chat. What's poppin'? Oh, what's this? Is this another order? Chat. Another order? Well, I'll open it and I'll show you in a few, chat. It's a WordPress website, though. It's a WordPress website, though, today, chat. I decided to take it on. Because Fiverr was actually last week, I'll be honest, it was a bit slow. But it's fully picked up after the weekend. Like Sunday, Monday, we're back on track, chat. What's poppin', Aldin? Welcome to the stream, man. Oh my god, that's amazing, Hardhead. That's mean you really put in the work, because I've had a lot of people complain, oh, Fiverr's not doing nothing. But the fact that you got your first gig live, I'm gonna review it soon. I hope you get your first message. Sorry, I kind of misread that as I got my first gig message. But congratulations on getting the gig live. Chat. First, let's get back to the high scene. So, Red Bull, it's Monday. Where's the contract, man? Stop playing, man. It's been weeks now. Yeah, Quad, don't panic when you get the spam messages. Be sure that you just report it. Just report it, man, so that they know you're a real seller. So they know you're the real deal. Chat, I took on a WordPress site today, so we're gonna put Codex up to the challenge for a WordPress site. What's poppin', Adonis? Oh, it's another Fiverr message. Chat, it's one of those days, I think, today. I'll tell you that in advance. Give me 1 second. Alright. That's okay. Give me a minute, chat. Alright. Okay, so I think we can get started, chat. Let me just see the chat. What's poppin', Jacob? Oh, nice, Jacob. Jacob, you're probably going to have to come on the show and explain how that works to me, because I want to get tapped in by the end of August. Damn, rising seller. Are you sending demos with the briefs, Jacob? You have to send demos with the brief, I hope. Alright, chat, let me ring the school bell and let's get right into it. Everybody with headphones, be careful. 3, 2, 1. Alright, chat, let's get into the session. KG, what's poppin', man? I feel you. Oh, I feel you, KG. I was burning yesterday all night because I read it in the Discord. People were saying, burn your tokens, burn your tokens. So I was like, I'll get building, chat. Chat, this is what we got so far. I'll show you. Chat, look at this. Look at this. W or L, chat. W or L. Fully animated studio, chat. What's poppin', facts? This is my virtual world right now, chat. This is Dollar Vibe Club headquarters, and you guys can give the girl a name. She doesn't exist, so you can name her whatever you want. Aldin, if anybody's interested to play Minecraft, I'll be up in a server in. Well, Aldin, I don't know if you've been following the Speed and Kai marathon, but I want to find out how hard hardcore really is. Julia, Sarah, obviously Sarah. Obviously, Sarah. Chat, why are you playing like that, man? It's Monday. Chill, chat. We can't get too out of pocket today. All right, chat. So, as you guys know, I just said, I believe we have one order here, one order for the WordPress site, chat, and one order in queue for the vibe coding projects. So those are what we have to finish today, or the coming week at least. Damn, man. All right. Damn, the spitting game is strong already, chat. The spitting game is strong already. Chat, if I miss your chat, let me know. Minecraft North Korea is Minecraft in real. Yeah, man. Jacob, I feel you, man. I'm studying the game, man, and I'm seeing how those guys are streaming. By the way, what will be your marketing strategy in future for your projects? Good question, Velocity. We got multiple marketing strategies, man. We got B2C, we got B2B. We got this YouTube channel. We've got social media that we're building behind the scenes. So we've got multiple strategies, man. Where there's a will, there's a way, Veloxis. And it mainly depends about the product that we're gonna start promoting. Alright, we'll just let this one work. I'm almost out of credits though, 50%. Omar, you're welcome to join, man. The first thing you need to do is make sure you get your own Fiverr account and make sure you start running up and going up and apply to the agency on Dollar Vibe Club. And as we go the coming week after the Designathon and when everything gets a bit more calm, now I'm just pushing sales. So Aldin, I feel like it's still coming today, man. Thibaut, don't be playing around like that. Damn, chat, man, I be spitting like a mofo. Just when I start streaming, it's crazy. Oh, facts, as much as you can. Facts. Run it up as much as you can and you can turn it off any time. Just put it on the highest so that you go to the top as quick as possible, facts. And then you can put a block in it anytime. I believe the max limit that you can go is like, I don't know, $500 a month or something. But even then, it doesn't never reach. I never reached the $500 a month. Maybe 2 months ago. Yeah. No. I feel you, facts. But you can manage it daily. So if you see that you had a good day the first day. Oh, chill, thoughts. You can send. Thank you.
100.
Damn, chat, this is, you should have sent a super chat, thoughts. Then you get to get a message on the speaker. But thank you, thoughts. Thank you. Don't feel shy, Veloxis. That's the only solution, man. Don't feel shy. That's literally the only solution, man. And you've got nothing to be shy about, Veloxis. Depending on what you're coming to do on the internet, you've got nothing to be shy about. Thoughts, I know you're a young blood, so that wasn't necessary, but thank you a lot, man. No, he really gave a gift, I think, chat, because the bell went. He really gave a super, he really gave Jules, I think, chat. Because the bell went. Alright, chat, this is what we got so far. They do, Aldin. They do. I activated it. They 100% do. Thank you, thoughts. Be nice, Aldin. Monday. We're gonna start a fresh week, chat. Let's take it slow. I don't know what they do, Aldin, but I know that they are activated somehow. I have no idea what they do. I have no idea what they do. Alright, chat. Let me get organized because we've got some stuff to do today. I don't want to get too distracted by the chat. Alright. The orders are in. Let's get milestone 1 done. That's great. I'm gonna have to open a second one. So just let me go to clients for now. Let me copy my entire. We just got a new client. We're starting milestone 1. I need you to help me set up a full site, let's say homepage only in WordPress, and I'll send you the briefing now. Let's see how much of the heavy lifting Codex X WordPress can do, chat. What's poppin', Jay? Yeah, little cheeky WordPress client, Jay. Start the Monday hot. Easy work. Light work, like Floyd Mayweather say. Okay, I'm downloading the attachments. One moment. For now, just understand the entire concept and then say standby in all caps. Let me take time to set up the hosting right now so we can get started. We will be working in the Flatsum team. Chat, I always work in Flatsum team. If you don't know that, then you'll find out today. It's the strongest platform. I deploy my websites on GoDaddy, Jay. For the last 25 years, I have had a VPS server at GoDaddy. And GoDaddy's never let me down, to be honest. I'd love to have GoDaddy as a sponsor, though. GoDaddy, tap in, man. Chat, let me give a little shout out to our partner, TipTap Games. Go support it. I see that there's 9 creators. Let's get it to 10 creators today, chat. Somebody go create a game, and then I'll play your game on stream, man. Let me show you if you have a developer type vibe. Damn, this is a hard one, man. Oh, I see you. I see you. Damn, this is... How do I get it turned? Nah. Alright, chat. My dumbass failed today. I think you might need to resubmit, Quad. And you can just add any 5 projects I believe we need. And then it pops up on my dashboard here. Maybe you should see. You should test forces as well. Alright, chat, but let's get to work first. We got 1 day and 14 hours for the buildathon. And we're gonna start the WordPress site first. So I'm gonna open this one as well. Alright, multi-agent work is the best way, chat. Multi-agent is the best way if that shit loads. Alright. Let me set up a hosting, chat. So what I do for a hosting, chat, I've got a demo work environment. Alright, Quad. Shout out to you, man. I'll check it once it's live. Jay. I might be able... Well, it's hard to show the full... what's up, Dre? It's hard to show the full workflow because I don't want to leak any IPs, Jay. But I'll tell you what I'm doing as I'm doing it. Alright, chat? So right now, the first thing I did is I went into my domain management and I'm setting up a domain, a subdomain for the client. So that's basically the client project name. So let me do that. One moment. Then I'll set it as an A record. I'll send it to the IP of my VPS, and I'll set it on a 600 seconds TTL. Okay, so the domain is set up. That's step one, chat. What's up, Koza? Man, somebody get this man a spit bucket. So that's the first step, chat. Set up your domain name, your subdomain. So that's done. Now I'm going to my server, chat. I'm gonna open my server. Dre, we got our own radio on the Dollar Vibe Club. The music is made by DJ Hunter, producer Hunter. Alright, logging in. What's poppin', Koza? How's your Monday? How's everybody's Monday, actually? Because it's way more busy at the start of the stream than usual. Everybody tell me in one sentence what you did today or what you're still doing, chat. No. I'm gonna get it running once I set up the hosting. This is for the WordPress. So once I set up the hosting, set up the login details, we should be good. On the grind, exactly, man. As a Monday should be, chat. As a Monday should be. Alright, I'm launching the Plesk of the VPS, chat. Plesk is basically the admin interface to manage the entire hosting. Oh, and we just got another briefing, chat. I'll show you the briefing just a minute ago. Damn, another WordPress site, chat. Let's run it. Oh, it's an amazing Monday, chat. I knew Monday was gonna pump up. Let me see if I can show you guys the brief without leaking anything. Alright. Look at this, chat. We need our large website recreated. Alright, that means game money. We're migrating from a vendor proprietary CMS to gain control over page create. Recreate approximately 250 pages, chat. Everybody show me the money emoji with the tongue out, chat. Transfer 50 blogs. Ensure site is hosted and optimized. Maintain current site functionalities and aesthetics. Alright, chat. Easy. Let's send up a quote for this before we set up the work for the client. KG, you know the vibes, man. I would do it, but I'm not. I'm not a nerd like that, but I'd stick my tongue out. No, chat, let me send an offer real quick to this client. Let me send an offer. Hi, my name is Tommy, 20 plus years of experience in WordPress and the Divi builder. Next, add your offer. Let me copy paste my offer, chat, and you guys will see it here. I basically have a template ready for WordPress websites, chat. So, one moment, I'll show you guys. One moment. Alright, so here's my template in Notion. And I basically just take that, chat, and copy paste it into a quote. I want to ask you that your web, when you try from Google, it shows you're super big. I have no idea what you mean, Veloxis. That's above my pay grade. That goes to the security boys. In WordPress and Divi, Jay. It's all good, man. Don't worry, Jay. I've been doing this selling game for over 25 years, my dog. Don't nobody need to tell me how to run sales, I promise you. If there's one thing I'm really good at, chat, it's sales. Stop playing. Chat. I'm old school, Jay. Come on. You think it's my first day in the office? Hell no. Alright, Quad. Shout out to you. Let me send a milestone offer. Boom. Let me send the milestone, and then I come here, chat, and I split it up in milestones. So I say part 1 It's always better to split up an order in 1 milestone, in 4 or 5 milestones, chat, than send in one big price in order not to scare the client. Submit it, sell me this pen, Tommy. KG, you know the vibes, man. I religiously watch that movie. Part 2, complete build website. How much should we budget this chat? And did the homie have products to do? Let me just see what he had. Damn, man. Another message. Wait, chat, because now it's getting out of control. Wait. No, Jay, I'll let you know at the end. That's what I was asking you guys. What would you quote? What would you quote? All right. Hey, I see what the client is doing. I'm gonna put the price a bit higher, chat. I think I'm gonna quote it around 4K, chat. I think I'm gonna quote it around 4K. And I'll put the upload website hosting is a milestone. One moment, chat, doing the hosting, and then I'll do the training. The call 75. All right, so basically, how much should we budget it, chat? 3-4K. Jay. Stop playing, guys. What's poppin', Tom? Really good, Tom. I just got a bunch of orders on Fiverr, so we're trying to get to those. And but now I'm just gonna send out a quote first. So I think I'm gonna put this at 3.5. Yeah.
Just let it go. I'll find place, I'm moving on. The stars above can sway the you. I'm chasing everything to you. If I
Sorry, chap. The $20 tip. This one's still running. Okay, I'm gonna budget it in total 4,790. 4,890, chat. Think that's fair. All right, up to 30. Sending offer now, chat. Offer sent. Let's see if we can pull that in. I don't charge hosting, Jay. I don't sell hosting and I don't sell domain names. That's what the client has to get on GoDaddy. And then they invite me to their GoDaddy account and I get the work done on their account. But I always build up in my own environment. Alright, let me add a subdomain, chat, for the other client. So the offer's sent already, chat. I can show you guys. This is basically what I sent him, chat. 4,690. I think that's fair. Let me see if I don't leak anything. Alright, we should be good. Here. This is how I set the offer up, chat. Alright. Alright, on to the next. The next is set up the subdomain for the new client. Let's try to get that delivered today. Tish Collective, let's go. Alright, subdomain is set up, hosting is set up. The next step is to get WordPress installed on that hosting, chat. I keep telling everybody, Jay, tap into Fiverr, man. It's an unlimited source of internet money. It's an unlimited source of internet money, chat. If you like money and you like the internet, then you should be tapped in either way. Alright, so usually, chat, I'll fix up the database so that the max file upload size is bigger. Then I'm going into the SSL. I'm going to activate the security certificate for that subdomain that we just made. This is just a Let's Encrypt. That's just a free SSL, chat. Everybody can get a free SSL. Well, it's not... It isn't funny because in real life I'd be selling actually way higher. I'm just taking on extra projects today, chat. Freelance Friday. Facts. I'll get back Freelance Friday. $200 plan, Tom. That's all I do. $200 plan of Codex. And I'm coming off a $1,000 subscription. I used to have Codex, Claude, and API costs. Now all I'm doing is using a $200 plan on Codex. And I'm getting so much work done, Tom. I'm getting so much work done. Okay, so the certificate is set up. And now we're going to deploy WordPress on it. Alright, let's have a sip. That's all you need right now, Tom. Well, at least to run my business. I don't know exactly what you're doing. And sometime an API key can be good. But I think the $200 plan is more than enough to run a day-to-day business. What's my language, Anitari? My language is gangster, homie. Welcome to the chat. Well, educate yourself, man. Come to the mean streets of Belgium, the mean streets of London, the mean streets of New York. I don't know what to say, Antari. You're actually the first person that's ever said that, man. So I don't know what to say to you. I don't know how I can help you because this is how I talk. So unless you got any ideas, I would just say sit back and look at the visuals, if you know what I mean. I have like 4 years ago, I had Fiverr. I used to sell, I will deploy pre-built SaaS. I used to take SaaS from Code Canyon. Yeah, but you don't need Code Canyon anymore. You got Vibe Coding now, so you can just say I'll deploy any, and say I will custom build it for you. Then you can ask way more money. Anitari, what country are you from? Maybe I can do your accent, Anitari, without being racist. You know the vibes, chat. Tell me what country you're from, Anitari. Damn chat, man, the spit and the slime be crazy, man. Is it because of the AC? I'm gonna turn off that AC, chat. India, Punjabi. Oh, my brother. No, I won't do it, chat. I won't do it. I think that's too racist. Oh, brother. No, I'm fucking with you. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it. What's poppin', Loz? Nah, man, I only got thoughts about my business and my vision and my community, Loz. I'm just focused on myself, man. I'm riding on a different lane, if you know what I mean. No thoughts, no opinions, just good vibes out here. Hard work and good vibes, chat. Alright, install the WordPress is installing as we speak. Now let me set up a Google document so I can send the login credentials to the agent. Yeah, exactly, Jay. You know the vibes, man, low key. If you know, you know, chat. If you follow my ex, sometime I get out of pocket at night when I'm in bed and I just got random thoughts. I'll get out of pocket sometime. Alright, we're almost done, chat. We can almost get into work. Give me a moment. I'm setting up the VPS. KG, where's your daughter? It's Monday. I told everybody to come correct. I told everybody to be professional today, KG. KG, I watched a very cool documentary about how successful North Korea has been over the past 5 years to 10 years. Alright, I think we're all set up. We've got everything going. That's amazing. One moment, chat. We got the WordPress open right here. Here you go. Traditional WordPress, chat. Who knows WordPress? I definitely am, KG. It's on the watch list. KG, I watched a part on it on Moist's stream. Oh, man, that shit is crazy, man. That shit is literally crazy, KG. I feel we're on the same pop culture, KG, because I was seeing it. I'm gonna watch it for sure. That homie crazy, chat. I think we should be good. Let me download this document. Team Flatsum. Let me install the team as well, chat. You guys know the only team that I work with, unless the client asks me different, is the Flatsum team, chat. Here's the first default page, chat. And this is the team that I be using, chat. This is the only team that I use. Flatsum. Let me download that and install it. Actually, I'm just gonna give that to the agent to install. Oh, didn't it download? Nice, KG. Just we got the highlights. We got the teaser, let's say. Astra, I don't remember the free one. How is the new Mac? Oh, who got a new Mac? How did you get a Mac in North Korea? You playing, homie? I'ma tell the regime. Alright, let's just let the agent upload it. Alright, Codex, we got everything in place. The subdomain is set up, the hosting is set up. You can find the details in the PDF document. And you will need to install the Flatsum team. I've zipped that also here in this conversation. Please keep all login details and personal credentials out of this chat session because we're live streaming right now. But get straight into work, and once you've installed the theme, then let me know and we'll get to work on the first page for milestone 1 of this project. Alright, let's just run it. We got him. Should I run a second one? I just give him admin details, admin credentials, Jay, that's all. Admin credentials and it takes over WordPress instantly. And I learned that from Hunter. Okay, so this is working. We'll close this. We'll let this one work. Usually I'll close off the toolbar chat. I don't like to see the toolbar per se on the front end, just so that it stays, so we see what the client sees, you know what I mean? All right, we'll see if he gets to install Flotsam. We'll delete these. I like to delete everything, chat, keep the server clean, you know what I mean? I also always make my dashboard empty. Bro, how can I explain in Hindi, bro? How can I explain in Hindi? Your ass funny as hell, Antari. I hope you sub up, man. You funny. Can you explain in Hindi, homie said. All right, let me pull this one, chat. One moment. Jay, that's racist, Jay. Oh, we can't clap it up for racist. Oliver, what's poppin', man? Oliver, you happen to speak Hindi? Oliver, if you speak Hindi, please help out the homie Antari. Hey, we can all be racist, chat. We can all be racist. Okay, 3 minutes ago, let me see how to build this. Go back. Refresh. All right, no problem. What's up, Oliver, by the way? I think you're new here. Welcome to the stream, gang. All right, chat, look at that, baby. Look at that, man. That's my AI version, chat. I gotta work on design, but let's get it going. I'm ready. Show me where to begin. Ah, but it's not rendering different scenes, chat. That's kind of annoying. Oh, here we go, chat. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. What the hell are they doing, chat? Alright, you can explain, design, or systemize something other people want to do faster. Alright, let's just see. Oh, chat, look at that, man. I just gotta work on copy now, chat. That's all I gotta work on. Ah, gang, nice. And then I don't know what the end thing is. Alright, I don't know what we built, chat. I don't know what we built, but it looks like we got something. Oliver, I'm doing multiple things, man. I'm working for clients and I'm building our own submission for a designathon. So to put it in one word, I'm vibe coding. What are you doing, Oliver? And where are you watching from? It's foundational, Jay. Video on loop, frame 1, frame end. It's always the same. And now I just gotta get the story right. It's like a game, chat. You remember the old games? From Belgium. Oh, Oliver, I'm from Belgium as well. Where are you from in Belgium? Spreek je Nederlands? Oh, tu parles français? What side you on, Oliver? Then you get to redo it. You get to check and ask different questions. Let's see. Dutch, Nederlands. So jij verstaat me. Jij verstaat me. Oh, chat, I still got to book my travels. I might be in Belgium soon, chat. Ha, Jay, you know it, man. Metaverse is coming soon. You could create another loop. Well, Zoodle, I already seen on the competitors that we don't have to go super crazy. What I was thinking initially was building out a full platform, but that's not fully needed per se, if you know what I mean. Alright, I'm happy with that. Let's see if he's getting WordPress installed. Damn, homie, so fast, chat. Look at that. Let's see. Wow. Wow. That's amazing. Alright. It is mostly done in Replit Design. Mostly, chat. I ain't gonna lie, mostly. But not fully, you know the vibes. Inspired by Quad, that's all I'm saying, chat. I don't think it's a winner, Zoodle. But at least we had fun. I learned a lot of things. Chill, Jay. I actually still don't understand what you do. Well, Oliver, let me tell you. Basically, Oliver, I've had my own web agency for the last 25 years. So I've been building websites for people around the world. And for the last 3 years, I've been a seller on Fiverr. I've been active, I've sold 500 projects. So my main hustle is I service small to medium business owners with digital services. Before AI, I used to do that all manually. Now with AI, I'm able to do way more than I used to do 3 years ago. Both, Quad. Both. So, Oliver, if that makes sense, basically, read this. 20 years, been building websites. So, and basically now I build website projects on stream for clients, and I build community projects for the viewers and for this YouTube thing that we're doing. But I've only been on YouTube for 131 days, chat, and I'm still learning the social media game and all that. It's an amazing business, Oliver. In my opinion, it's an amazing business, especially with AI and what's coming in the future. Alright, based on the initial briefing of the client, can you set up a full homepage in the UX builder fully with setup as it would go to the client to review? Just focus on the homepage. You have the logo, the colors, everything. Make sure you check all the flats and theme options. Make sure you run down everything so that the homepage looks as a real homepage ready to go live. Let's see what he does, chat. Follow the sections, follow the briefing to the detail of the client. Let's put this baby on ultra, chat. Tebow coming in clutch soon with that free reset, so. Alright, so the hosting is set up. Let me check Fiverr, chat. I think we should be good. Alright, we're good. Alright. It's great. What business you're in, Oliver, or what's your job? And basically, if you don't know what vibe coding is, Oliver, I would advise you to get into it if you love the internet and tech and stuff. Yeah, Jay, I use a plugin called Migrate Guru. I use a plugin called Migrate Guru. And Oliver, by the way, we've got 2 orders in the queue right now. One for WordPress and one for a custom AI web application I'm working on. 2 features. Just 2 features that I need to add. Nothing too crazy. Alright, Oliver, not to be pocket watching, but I would say you could basically... I don't know what if you're passionate about computer and stuff, and if you've got a little funding that you can invest in yourself. But I would seriously, if you're from Belgium, I would seriously advise you to go on to Fiverr.com and create an account. My nephew is being mentored by me for the last 4 years, and he has a Fiverr account, and he's already level 2 on Fiverr, 33. Like, he's putting in the work. He's only 18 years old. He's making more money than his teachers. Obviously, he's still a young trainee, and he's building up his profile. But if you tap into that industry, it's easy money, man. Hard work, but easy money, chat. But hard work. Don't get it twisted. All success is hard work, chat. I do want to give that as a disclaimer so that you guys don't think everything's easy. Yeah, man, he's killing it, man. He's killing it. And his pictures are amazing as well, chat. Look how that sells. Arguably, I would have put the picture on the left side, but it's working for him right now. Look at this. Oh, this is clean. This is even better than mine, chat. This is even better than mine. I'm not gonna lie. And that might explain why he's raking in more cash than me last week. But this week, I'll be back on track, chat. Exactly, Tom. Find something you love to do and grind it out, chat. Find something you love to do and grind it out, man. And do it. One moment, chat. Exactly, Oliver. That's what I keep telling everybody. Even if you have a 3D printer, for example, you could go onto Etsy and you could literally make $1 million, chat, by selling 3D printed shit. Alright, we're all caught up on a Monday, chat. I think we're all caught up. Let's see how he does this WordPress. I'm really curious to see how he does the homepage. Alright, he's already working on the flat sum. And then let's go into Skilly. And let's do some fine-tuning work now. Stand by, we are going to fine tune this app page by page. Thanks. Skilly Club. Actually, for now, you can remove the coming soon page and make sure the main landing page is instantly the preview page. Thank you. Let's run it, chat. I'm gonna work a bit in Replit, chat, just to get it a bit done faster. We're gonna put Fable 5 recommended. Let's run it. That's why, just find your niche, man. Go find somewhere where there's not a lot of money, a lot of people playing, but where there's a lot of opportunity. When I started streaming 130 days ago, chat, it was only the homie Bridgemind, the homie Alex Finn, Clearmud, and Dubby. Those were the 4 streamers. Now when you check how many Vibe Code streamers there are, there's about at least 50. But that's all good, chat. We're finna run it up to 1 million. All right. Lovely days, chat. Lovely days. Monday, agents running. Money is gonna be streaming. Didn't you start streaming on that other site? What other site, KG? Are you tripping? Are you playing? Or, huh? Did I stream on another site, chat? Did I stream on another site? Well, I did stream 4 years ago with another company called the Dollar Vibe Club, the Big Dave. Oh, you mean OF? KG, I can't even say that out loud or I'll get banned. I had to, man. I had to pay the bills, KG. I had to pay the bills, KG. What's poppin', Roa? KG was one of my top donators, chat. He used to chat with me all the time. He on that feet pick vibe. Thanks, Tom. That means a lot. Definitely in subs. So I'm happy for that. But I'm still not fully happy about my videos, actually. I would like my videos a bit more, still more polished, Tom, but I'll figure it out. What's poppin', Kit Kat? That's been a while since I've seen that name. All right, Roa, kick off them shoes, get yourself a beer or a coffee or a tea and chill a bit, man. Kit Kat, how you doing, Kit Kat? But I appreciate your insight, Tom, for sure. I really never used to do video like that, chat, so it's still a learning process, that's for sure. Well, I also don't drink alcohol, Roa. I usually just say that. That's like a saying you say in Belgium, let's have a beer, and usually I'll have just... I don't really drink like that, I only smoke weed. But I feel you, man. I'm not against it, other people can drink, you know what I mean? I just don't drink it myself. Never be against something. Just let people do what they want. What's poppin', Azadine? Doing amazing, man. We're doing Codex X WordPress. And we're running builds directly here in Replit. Chat, I can't... Wait. Yeah, you should be able to see. I don't know, man. I gotta watch the documentary, KG, and that's different. The moment you disrespect somebody or hurt somebody, KG, that's different. But somebody drinking alcohol on their own, they aren't really hurting anybody, you know what I mean? But you can never move in life. You gotta make sure you don't annoy other people around you. Or hurt people, or steal from people. Alright, Roa. Till the age of 30. What you got planned on your 30th birthday, Roa? I might have to bring you out here, man. What's poppin', Eternal? Shout out to my friend Amax. Who's my Amax? Shout out to you, Eternal. Welcome to Skilly City. We're gonna change this to Welcome to Skilly Club. And then save one edit. Man, Replit does have some bugs in it, man. I really hope Replit looks at the stream because, like, they should be fixing these things. It's a $9 billion company. Chat, stop playing. I'll quit corporate at the age of 30. Nice, Roa. Nice. How many years you still got to go, Roa? Please remind me. That's a very good outlook on life, Roa. I only started when I was 36. So you're ahead of the game if you start on 30. Let's see if this mofo working. Ah, still not yet. Come on. 12 more years. Damn, man. That's a long time, Roa. Lock down, lock in. Yes, yes, Tom, and I wanted to show it to you guys, but don't tell nobody, okay, chat? Higgsfield, baby. Higgsfield, baby. Higgsfield, baby. Look at the first one. Nah, Higgsfield, baby. Don't tell nobody, okay, chat? I've never used Higgsfield. This was Codex, by the way, that completely did Higgsfield for me. I have no idea. What is this used in? 1.5. I think it did it for saving credits, Tom. It did it for saving credits. And right now for what we needed, like it's for the Designathon, so I don't want to go too crazy. Exactly, Roa. That's what I tell Hunter all the time, Roa. You're in the same boat as him. In the 18-year-old boat, so... Aldin still got his mind on the wrong place, chat. Aldin still got his mind on the wrong place. Okay. What I am missing of messaging here on this platform is basically Skilly is a platform where people come to find out where they can make money on the internet. There's more than 10, 15, 20 platforms out there, and it all depends on whether the user is a content creator, a web developer, an arts and crafts creator, a community manager. So could you update the wording a bit, and then we'll take it page by page. The headline, welcome to Skilly Club. You can also change that actually so that the user instantly understands what they'll be doing on this platform. Nah, Aldin. Definitely not, Aldin. You still hung up on Friday? Shit, man. You got butterflies, baby. Tom, I used to use OpenArt a lot. And my nephew made a complete book in OpenArt. But the problem is, I've just been focused on the code side of things, and I haven't worked on the media side of AI chat, to be really honest. I haven't. This is the first time I'm working in Higgsfield chat. That says a lot. Alright, chat, give me a moment. We get to take a stretcher. Yo, give me a suggestion for the website. Well, I'll look at it in a few, gamer. Give me a few. I'll come back and I'll look at it after my section. After my stretcher, chat. Let me see how long we're streaming. Exactly an hour, chat. I deserve it. Chat, I'll be back in 2 minutes. So don't worry. Don't panic. I'm not going anywhere. I'll be back in 2 minutes, chat. I do believe TTS is on, so you can always send messages to the chat on voice chat. No, I'm playing.
Don't know about you when I love you. I know about
Alright, we're back already, chat. I made it fast for you guys.
it's 'cause I control you.
We're back already, chat.
You think about you and I feel it. I know about you and the world about.
Alright,
'Cause I wanna know
let me see how it looks here.
and I don't know what to say. I know it's gonna be 'cause
How do I go back? Alright. Why isn't it showing the landing page, chat? Right now, when I'm visiting the main page, I'm not seeing this. I'm seeing the instant first question. So this should be the default view for all new viewers and returning viewers. Alright, let's try to get this built. I'm not entirely happy with this, chat. Oh, it's got the logo in it. Nice, nice, nice. Chat, I fixed my soundboard, by the way. And chat, this is maybe something I should tell some of you guys. Yeah, I'll update you on that soon. Stream is healthy, alright, come on, man. I'm just vibe coding my life away now, chat. Damn, look, chat, he made a whole homepage already. Interesting. We should check out OpenArt actually, chat. I know OpenArt has a very good media team, chat. The media that they create is actually way more impressive than Hicksfield. I watched the Hicksfield movie, by the way, chat. Total shit. Total shit. In my opinion. Obviously, it's great to see that it's possible, but the movie was total crap. Fixed. Alright, let me refresh. Close that. Open it. Boom. Let's go a bit bigger here. Alright, I don't like that it's doing this on a small screen, so give me a moment. I need the box and font size to adjust for the headline title based on the screen size. I don't want it to overlap on top. What's poppin', Jacob? How you doing, man? How you doing, Jacob? There's a word for that. Don't they call that lean, chat? I could go for some lean. Bring me a cup of lean, Jacob. I could go for that. That motherfucker funny, chat. Alright. You got sound on it, nice. I don't know what this button is. Ah, this is the... I actually don't... We can remove this button. You can actually remove this button for now. I don't know what the value is of it. You can also remove the pause button. That's not needed in the top right. Hey, I'm creating a game, Jacob. I'm not lying, man. We're creating a gaming experience. This is inspired by Animal Crossing X GTA. And that's me at the back of the desk, chat. I love the little plants floating here. Don't worry, we're gonna go to the next step. So I'll update this after. Go here. Here you go. Chat, 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 chat. On it, Jacob. On it. Hicksfield. Hey, chill. That's my AI assistant. Chill, Jacob. Yes, I know Codex is doing my Hicksfield work, Jacob. Don't worry. I know. We're safe. We're safe. We're actually gonna open this. And I'm gonna let him do some work for me in Hicksfield. Hey, what's happening? Codex crashing? Oopsies by Codex. Alright, stand by right now. We are going to create updated scenes. The video scenes that we have are perfect. We just need to create a few more. All the rest of the coding and stuff I will do myself manually in Replit. Hey, Aldin. Aldin on lock. Aldin really be in love, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Aldin really be in love. Aldin, you can collaborate with her on YouTube. She has a YouTube channel. Okay, Aldin, because Roa said it.
High level wrestling. Send him 2-3 years Dagestan and forget.
High level wrestling. What glasses do you mean? What are you talking about? What glasses are you talking about, Jacob? Yeah, they mainly record vertical. Why? What are you gonna be recording, Jacob? Shit, man, this one's stripping, chat. What are you gonna be recording in POV, Jacob? And where are you gonna be posting your recordings? Jacob, man, you need to chill, man. You need to chill, man. You need to chill, man. Guys, stop about, we are professional today, Aldin. Aldin, have you been streaming actually, man? Let's see how professional you've been. You're talking a lot of smack. about our poor girl? When's the last stream? A day ago, alright. Well, it's inconsistent, Aldin. You need to get professional this week, man. Stop, put Sarah out of your mind. I'm putting you on blast, Aldin. 7 days straight, man. You gotta go 7 days straight. Jacob! Don't make me put you in the back of the class, homie. Okay, so let's just create a new one. Okay, so the first looping video I want to make is for the initial landing page. Basically, I want a top view of a 3D city with everything going on in that city moving around. And then as soon as people click find my earnings, I want a middle video where a character is walking into a building, and then the next screen will show the screen of the two people at the lobby. So make me those two in Higgsfield and give me the URLs or the files so that I can upload them in Replit. Do this directly using the Higgsfield MCP. Let's see if he understands, chat. What's poppin', Data? We gotta keep it boys and girls friendly, chat. We gotta make it boys and girls friendly. I can, Jacob. Chat, should I ring the school bell or should we wait? Alright. I'm not sure that when we land on this for the first time that there's already 3% filled in the City Awakens. I'm also not sure about the title, The City Awakens, so redo that to something that matches our initial brand. Yeah, but Jacob, this is for the Designathon. I don't got super much time to make it super detailed, but it should represent me. Should represent me in GTA. Damn, I gotta log in here or what? It is, but later on, Jacob. That's for stage 2. Once the Designathon is finished, then we are going to port this entire project into Dollar Vibe Club, existing framework. Wow, chat, look at that. Damn, that shit is done already, chat. Wow. That really made my job easy, chat. I'm not gonna lie. That's amazing. That's amazing. Alright, next step. This needs to be more clear. This needs to be a bit more clear. I would like to add 2 options and then a prompt box. So the 2 options are to just speed up the wireframe demo, or the user can actually talk into the prompt box and that in the future, once we go full active with the features, then it's basically going to be AI that they're engaging with. For now, I don't want no real AI in it. We're just wireframing this shizzle. You could give me 2 examples to choose from. So, for example, I am a vibe coder, or I'm a traditional WordPress developer, or I make arts and crafts, and then a prompt box, and make sure the title also fits, and change the wording, Mayor Tommy, like that doesn't make sense right now as we're taking it different. Update this context here to match the context of page 1. That's a client demo that I'm making right now. Gig demo is my demo environment for my VPS for launching demo projects. And it's basically already done. This is incredible. Like, the client asked it, very simple, very slick. So this is great. I like how he did it, man. I'm not gonna lie. I like the opening, chill, sweet. Gig demo, I sold a WordPress website. Jacob, if you missed the beginning of the stream, we opened the stream and I instantly got a WordPress order on Fiverr. And that's what this one, that's what I'm building here. Custom WordPress, 1 order. So today we got to build, this week, 1 full website in WordPress. Let's see if he's able to make the vids. And we still got a day to fine tune all the artwork, chat. So now, right now I don't have to worry too much about the rooms, you know what I mean? I just have to worry about the flow, that it makes sense for the judges, Raymar, Aldin, Raymar, Manny and Sarah. I was thinking about you, Aldin, because I thought about Sarah. That's now because you've said it so much, I put, damn man. But anyway, we've seen how they judge, chat. They just click through things and they want to get that wow. People connecting the dots, Aldin. You're already brainwashing people. Nice, Jacob. Jacob, saying things like that, you're gonna never see me in real life, man. You're never gonna see me in real life saying things like that, man. No diddy. Okay, so is he still working? Alright. Alright, so we're ready with that one, and let's see if this one creates the videos. How old are you, study? You tell me yours, I'll tell you mine. I'm 40, by the way. So tell me yours, homie. Study, no distractions. That's your first question ever in the chat, study. How old are you? Instead of how are you? I'm gonna have to teach you some manners. Nah, I'm tripping, chat. Welcome to the stream. Damn, man, you on the same vibe as Aries. You on the same vibe as Roa. You on the same vibe as my nephew. My nephew is 18. He's already running a full-time business. He's got 33 clients done, level 2 on Fiverr. He's already in it to win it, chat. 16 years old, chat. The entire world is for you now, study. You can literally take over the world in the next 4 years, man. When you're 20, you'll be a top G. Well, depending on... You can be a female top G or a male top G. I don't know if you're male or female, but you know the vibes. No, I don't like this interface, man. I want a gaming interface, chat. One moment, chat. Alright, I don't like this design and I want the demos to be dominant over the prompt box. I also want to change the boxes to liquid glass transparent, and I want to make everything more slick in the sense of readable. Now there's a whole lot of text pressed to each other, little labels and all that bullshit that's not needed. Get it fine-tuned this screen like a game, and then we'll take it the rest screen by screen. It has to become intuitive and engaging, so buttons have to be animated, selections have to have a little gradient animation glare so that the users engage with the platform. What's poppin', Saeed? Welcome to the stream, man. I am using Codex, Saeed, but I also build in Replit, and we're currently competing in a Designathon, and all my client projects are done in Replit. So I believe Replit is the strongest platform. You can start with it as a foundational framework platform for vibe coding, I think, commercial projects. And that's just my opinion, chap. And I've only shipped about 45 projects vibe coded live on Replit, so. And it's easy to hand over to the client. It's easy when something crashes to go to Replit support. So you get a bunch of things. Well, Sehi, I would advise you to not be a closed mind in it. I would advise you to look at the market, because up until 4 weeks ago I've never used Codex, and I only used Claude for a year, and then recently changing. Like, you gotta test all the tools. Everything's changing every day, Sehi. If you lock yourself in, that means you're working like 4 years ago. AI is changing constantly, Sehi. You know the vibes, man. What is Peaky Blinders from Timu doing here? 190k subs, 20 views. What's that Tony Lamaz doing here, chat? Welcome, Tony. Don't worry, Tony. I know you're jealous, Tony. It's all good. I'll tell you one thing, Tony. It's not good to be jealous, because it's not going to get you far in life, Tony. But shout out to Tony. Tony, you probably, if you sub up, you're not part of the 100k, but you might be part of the 1,000,000k. So Tony, tap in, man. You don't get that play button. And shout out to the compliment for Peaky Blinders. So come correct next time you come to the stream, homie.
By order of the Peaky Blinders.
You know the vibes, man. Stop playing. Where can I learn vibe coding, since you can't learn vibe coding. You can't learn it anywhere. You have to get into it, study. You have to get into it. You have to Google it. You have to go to YouTube. You have to check streams. You have to check videos. And study. It's in your name. So you should know it. Tony, funny as hell, chat. Nah, this is still not it, chat. Nah, this is still not it. He's still got work to do, chat. Alright, yeah, well, I don't like the glass box fully. Hey, Roa, that's a good question. That's a good question, Tony. Where are your 190k subs, homie? Well, you came in like a hater, homie. So next time come correct and I'll treat you correct. You know what I mean? And otherwise,
send me a message like location, I'm gonna come, whatever you want, doesn't matter. Ireland, New York, Brooklyn or Moscow, doesn't matter.
you know the vibes,
Tell me
chat.
where.
Tony funny, chat. Tony funny though. Two, 3 years. 2, 3 years, that Tony. How old are you, Tony? Do you dare to tell me your real age, man? How old are you, Tony? Well, study, what country are you from? And I can tell you what the opportunity is as it comes to sales and marketing. Sehi, I don't know if you're trying to send something, Sehi, but if you're trying to send something, you need to go into the Discord. Bro, you're gonna go in the back of the class. You definitely are gonna go in the back of the class, Tony. Oh, Tony, look at this. This is also fake, Tony. Top rated. That means top 1% on Fiverr, Tony. That's also fake, Tony. Y'all playing, man. Well, Study, that's a very good location, Study. If you have a parent or a guardian that wants to help you get activated on Fiverr, you should go to fiverr.com right now and make a profile. If you've got your mom or your dad to help you, you could say, hi, we are a father-son duo. We build websites in WordPress, and recently we work with AI. Just follow what I've been saying for the last 131 days, Study. UK is a great market for Fiverr, chat. I promise you that, man. Poor Tony. Tony spent too much money on gurus, chat. Hey, Tony. You funny as hell, man. Go to my Fiverr profile, Tony. Yeah, man. Fiverr is a multi-billion-dollar company, homie. Go check that shit out. Alright, this is nicer already. How do I go back, though? I need it a little less transparent and remove that stupid label, Your Skilly Guide, and the text next to it. And make sure there's a back button or add a home button next to the sound button in the top right so that I can always go back to the home page. And then also make sure to add the liquid glass effect to the first screen that we have. We have a box there as well. I might start vibe coding on YouTube stream. That is a great idea, Study. If you've got a setup to go live, I would highly advise it, man. Especially if you're 16, you really got nothing to lose, Study. And now is the time. Don't start in 2 years, then the market is going to be saturated. Fully Android, chat. Tony, I like your energy, man, Tony, but I want to ask you a real question. How old are you? And is there anything you could send us that could show what your value is? Because you're talking a lot of smack, but all I see here is a guy that doesn't know how to write his name once. You know what I mean, Tony? And other than that, I can say I love the name Tony because...
Say hello to my little friend!
Data Sherpa. Wow, that's true, Data Sherpa. If the people around you acknowledge it, that's the most important, man. All the rest doesn't matter, chat. It's taking over the world, Tony. Making $1 million on stream. Showing everybody how it's done. Without fake guru talk. Without selling you subscriptions. Without selling you, asking your money. That's what we're doing here, Tony. We're trying to make a difference to society, Tony. Other than you right now. But it is a compliment, chat. Cillian Murphy's a G, man. I'll be the Tony in the cave, chat. Where? Well, you can't send any. What is that? Gaming.dk. Is that yours or what, Sehi? Sehi, I don't know what you're trying to push here, but listen, man, I'm gonna take a step back and I'm gonna try and explain it legitimately. If you step into a building tomorrow with investors and they've never met you, is the first thing you're gonna do run there and say, hey, check my shit? No, the first thing you're gonna do is get to know the community, get to know the people, add value. Don't just come here and try to take energy. Give energy, Sehi. That's the best sales strategy. I'm not gonna open your project on stream. I don't know who you are. I haven't spoken with you. I don't know if you come correct. Why would I open it on stream, homie? That is a very nice notice. What's your name? NDO AI. It is probably inspired by Sukhumvit, I ain't gonna lie. Well, by Bangkok in general. Let me put a back button here. Okay, I'm not fully convinced by this, but let's go to the next step. Also, this box, I would like the just 3 and full sentences of services, like I build websites for people in WordPress, I can vibe code websites in Replit, and I can 3D print items. Just 3 and list them down below each other so everything becomes more clear and readable, and take over the same glass effects of the previous 2 pages. Well, thanks NDO. It's an easier solution to what I really wanted to do, NDO. I wanted to create different layers so that I could actually get it animated as a game, but I need more time for that, and I don't have enough time for that for this week. So that's why I'm gonna do it, solve it this way, let's say. And I've got a few other scenes, well, I can show you this way. Like here in Hicksfield, you'll see. Oh, did he create them too? Oh, nice. I approved the 2, but not the aerial skilly city. Actually, I approve all 3. Actually, I approve all 3. Damn, Whisperflow smart. It took out all my jibber jabber and just said I approve all 3. Thank you, NDO. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. I don't like this scrolling box within this thing, actually. I also never want to see this scrolling box, and if there is scrolling, make it a scroll bar within the content box, and maybe for smaller screens we can make the content box a bit wider so that we get more place in height. Where are you from, NDO? Are you from Bangkok? I don't like this font actually as well. Also fully update the headline title fonts because they seem to be sticking to each other. It has to be more readable. Alright, he's building the videos for us, chat. That's amazing. New York City, nice. Nice, nice, nice. But I lived in Bangkok for a bit. Nice, nice, nice. I do miss Bangkok sometime, chat, because I travel always between Bangkok and Phuket. So you got island life on the one hand, and you got that fast life, business, city life on the other hand. And I've been on the island for a while now, chat. Well, the last time I was in Bangkok was a month ago. Damn, NDO, you gonna kick my ass. I've never trained Muay Thai, but I used to run a management agency for UFC fighters in Belgium. We had a UFC fighter and we had a PFL fighter. And that's why I love UFC and MMA in general so much. Roa, stop teasing. Nah, New York is on my list, chat. New York is on my list for sure. Someday. Someday. I don't think I'll be heading out to America within the foreseeable future, but someday I gotta do a USA tour, chat. I gots to. Well, there's one thing I don't like to talk on stream. Well, 3 things, chat. That's SEX, politics and religion, chat. But I am religious, just so you guys know. I believe in God, chat. In God or the universe, whatever you want to call it. I should NDO, but I've just never got into it, man. I've never gotten into it, man. That's the biggest struggle in my life is fitness, NDO. I'm not gonna lie. My nephew Hunter tried to got me into it when he was here 3 months. Bro, jokes aside, you say you're a G, but you got Canbrook. But you got Canbrook, and that's a private school. Tony, your English, I don't even know what to say to you, Tony. Come up, type correct, because I don't know what you mean by Canbrook, and I don't know what you mean by private school, homie. I've never been to a private school. Study. You never sign a client without showing them a demo of a homepage. The moment the client commits to you based on that demo, you've already got them. You've already got their confidence. And then it's up to you to deliver on what you promised. Thanks, Blue. Website looking good. I like the liquid glass. Wait till you smoke some good. Well, I'm gonna take a stretcher in a few. That's all I do out here, Blue. That's all I do out here. Trust me. All right, NDO. Thanks for the kind words, man. I appreciate you. I really do, man. Thanks for the kind words. We needed that energy. Thank you. Tony, I did, but I don't remember it, man. We have to disagree. I don't believe in God. Well, in God or the universe. And let's agree to disagree, gamer. It's all good, man. Let's agree to disagree. But I'm telling you, chat, you have to have faith. In whatever you do, you have to have faith. Whether you start streaming, whether you start a business, whether you start a relationship, you have to have faith that it's going to work out. And the question nobody can answer right now is, in what are you having faith? Is it the universe? Is it God? Is it the law of attraction? I just chuck it down to God or the universe, chat. That makes it easier for me. No, I didn't see the new model. Let me check that, chat. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. 5.6 cyber. That's all good. I'm not too worried about cyber right now, chat. W will test on stream. When collab. Chat. Thanks, Tony. Thanks for coming by, Tony. Tony, tell me, how old are you from and where are you watching from, Tony? Come on. Leak it, man. But I'm scared to deliver. If you're scared, you're gonna get punched down. Study, it's that easy. Well, you gotta convince your parents, so start with that first. So that is your first sales strategy, Study. You gotta convince your parents. What's poppin', Abbas? Nah, Abbas, you and me, we homies, man. Don't cyber me. Ah, Tony, you're on my wave, man. Why are you popping off like that, Tony? We 40-year-olds, we should be chilling. We shouldn't even popping off like that, UK lad. When collab? You know the vibes, Jay. That's what we ask every day. Okay, find my route. I'm a vibe coder. I build websites for people. I can vibe code websites in Replit. I can 3D print items. Let's do the Replit one. I want client work. I want to sell products. Nice, nice, nice. Give me a clear brief. I like making reusable. I like publishing. I'm good on camera. I want a fast delivery. All right, and then let's change. Okay, here we're gonna put the platforms that are available, chat. Nah, he's got 1 year on me. He's older than me. And he's living in the UK. That's why he might be a bit more aggressive. Them UK lads not normal, chat. Trust me, my mom's from the UK. My mom was from the UK, chat, so them UK folks ain't normal. Crazy that we're in a world. I don't fully understand that sentence, Blue, because that's above my pay grade. I'm just a dumbass out here. I missed something, I think. What's poppin', thoughts? How was your day? My day's amazing. What's poppin', PR? Welcome to the stream, gang. My day was amazing, chat. I just got focused on Monday. I locked in. I instantly started with Fiverr, and already by today, as you've seen at the start of the stream, the orders were flowing in. So we're back on track. Last week was a very calm week in Fiverr, chat. I'm not gonna lie. And I thought it had something to do with some things we were doing, but then I spoke with my Fiverr manager and we're back on track, chat. It's Monday, chat. Mondays are usually the best days. I didn't wake up until 12 p.m. chat. I didn't wake up until 12 p.m. Come on, are my Hicksfield videos ready, homie? PR, how you doing, man? What you up to? You had a good Monday, family all on point? You guys see that translating on the screen? I just see messages pop up, no translations. Tommy, man, how did you make $1 million already? Or are we really wasting time here? Tony, stick around long enough and you'll find out, man. I don't believe in bragging about finances. Keep it humble, that's always what I say out here. But tap in more and you'll find out, homie. Out here we keep it very, very real, Tony. And you're a 41-year-old UK lad. I'm 40. So you know we're probably the realest. We're OGs. There's no point in faking all that shit. Nice, PR. I like to see that last part. And the first part I'm doing the same with Asian events. So we're on the same wave this week. Alright, let's go back. I like this. This is very good. I don't like this button, chat. Actually, I think this step, tell me what you do. Alright. Alright. Are these the same designs as, yeah. Nice, PR. That means you'll get the recurring badge on Fiverr soon. The clients keep coming back. If you get that badge, PR. And Tony, one more thing. There's about 400,000 people selling on Fiverr. I'm top rated. That means 1% of those 400,000. So just do the math. You know what I mean, homie? It must be from you, I think. Oh, we got ads going. Damn, chat. I might have to take a stretcher if we got ads going. I'll be right back, chat. I deserve it. Well, I look very forward to see your profile on Freelance Friday, PR. Chat, we just got another Fiverr message. Let me see. Oh, another brief, chat. Another brief. I'll show you guys the notification so you see I'm not tripping. Because we got guys like Tony here who always playing. Just now we got another brief, chat. Let me open it up for you guys. That's the second brief in 1 hour and 30 minutes, chat. Let me open it up. Let me see what we can sell. Personal assistant. Oh, chat. This is a good one. This is a good one. All right. I might need help for this one, chat. I might want to outsource this one to the smarter people in the chat. You know who you are. Chat. Look at this. I'm looking for someone reliable and honest to help me with listing homes and apartments on various marketplaces. List homes and apartments, utilize. So he basically wants to create an AI. I would create an AI for it, chat. All right, let me send him a message, chat. Hi, my name is Tommy with over 20 plus years of experience in the industry. Could you please tell me more about the platforms so I can do some research and see what we can automate for you versus having an actual human get the work done? Feel free to let me know any other information that you have and I will follow up from there. Thanks, Tommy. Alright, chat, sending a message right now. So here you see, chat, let me just hide the name. This is Fiverr, chat. If I'm not able to give a price quote directly because it's not clear, then I'll send him an intro message on the briefing. And this is basically my briefing. And that goes direct to inbox. And then Fiverr registers it instantly as a replied message, which ups your stats, your response time and everything. Over 25 years, Tony. Around 25. How do you get... Well, I've been in the game study for the last 3 years. You have to start. You have... Study. There's no point in starting a profile if your parents won't stand guardian for you. Because Fiverr will block you if you can't confirm it with a passport. It's that simple. Ja, Forts, ik spreek Nederlands. Zeker en vast. Ik ben blij dat je hier op deze streams bent. En dat je elke dag volgt. Want als je dit een jaar volhoudt, dan ga je heel succesvol worden. Succes, maat. SO. I'm almost 100% convinced to start Fiverr. Well, go 100%, man. Like, it's nothing to lose, chat. You can only gain. Alright, we got the videos, chat. Let me see. Nice, 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 nice. Nice. Walking into the lobby. Nice, chat. Nice. 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 Actually, I'm gonna change one thing. You can see the scene in my screenshot. That's the scene they are going to walk into. So can you optimize the walking into the lobby scene a bit more detailed so that when it stops and the new scene starts on the next page, it shows the exact same view. What's poppin', Doctile? DVC is free. DVC is absolutely free. The Dollar Vibe Club is free forever. The Dollar Vibe Club is free forever. Yes, shout out to Quad, man. Let me actually show you guys that. Go watch this, chat, and I've made videos and we've got courses. He did it from a new user perspective. So my perspective is mostly always from someone that's been in the game for 3 years. Oh, we got another message, chat. Alright, Dollar Vibe Club is free, chat. Come to the Dollar Vibe Club, go to the classroom, and go to the Fiverr. I keep saying it to you guys. On the Fiverr classroom, you've got a download, and here are all the courses in that you need to know, chat. Definitely watch that video. Go like Quad's video, chat. Go like it, go subscribe. This is from a new user's point of view, chat. So that makes it easier. Nah, man, free forever, Tony. What you thinking, man? You really been played with in your life, man. You don't know. Like, you really been played with. I am, Jay, after the stream. Going amazing, Mystic. What's poppin', man? Yes, there's got full PDFs in it, chat, where you can actually see the PDF, support it with a video. How to get your first sale, how to set up your profile. And there's few people that have been following this to the T and they already proven successful on Fiverr, chat. Like, I haven't got a special ability or anything. I'm calling anyone without a Fiverr account a noob, chat. Blue, shout out to you, man. How old are you, Blue? Can I remind me and where you from? I think it's the first time me seeing you here, to be real. Alright, baby. Let's see. We'll see. Open in Finder. Come here. I'm adding a new video called Skilly City Loop, and that should be the opening video when people land on the page. As soon as they click the find my earning route, you should play the second video to lead to the next scene. But first that video should play where the person is walking into the building. "30 in Texas, nice. I'm in Texas. Nice, nice, nice. I got some homies in Texas. Shout out Mike. Mike is making stuff. When in Texas. My singing is very bad, chat. Baked OS is my operating system just to run my stream right now, Roa. Haven't had any time to do anything on that. Aldin, I'll pop onto the stream after the stream. I'll pop into Minecraft after the stream. I gotta download that shit though, chat. But look what I installed today, chat. Game Hub, chat. Look what I installed today, chat. Game Hub for MacBook. That means I can run any Windows games on the Mac. Nice, Blue. Let us know in the Discord if you're building anything, launching anything. This is what the stream is all about. We try to highlight people's projects, and at the end of the day, Dollar Vibe Club is looking to incubate 100 projects. So if you're looking for partners, we're always open for it. Blue, you be streaming like that? Or Jay leaking you? Blue be streaming like that, chat? Let's have a look. Oh, Blue do be streaming like that. Damn. Blue was on it way before me, chat. Blue started. Wow, Blue, congratulations. You OG, man. I'm a sub up. Let's get it. Get money. Nah, nice. He's early. He's early adapter, chat. Blue, shout out to you. Loving the name. Alright, Blue, I'll tap in for sure, man. Oh, Jay. Whoa. Chat. We got someone with a blue badge that's banned somewhere? Chat. We didn't check his criminal record, chat. I might have to check your criminal record in the passport. Damn, chat, he's banned. That's making me afraid. That's like giving a criminal a gun. Nah, Jay, I don't know your backstory. Tell me the law. What do you mean, KG? You got banned? That's crazy. Damn, chat, I got criminals in the chat. I got some real G shit out here. Damn, that's crazy, chat. That's crazy. Y'all tripping, man. Y'all playing, man. Y'all playing. Send me proof. I want to see proof where you really banned, man. I can't believe that. That's crazy, Jay. You tripping, man. I'm gonna keep an extra eye on you, chat. I'm gonna say it to the principal as well. Yeah, I don't believe in ADEs right now or IDEs, chat. I believe in the most powerful harness in the world right now, OpenAI. SMD if you don't trust me, man. I'm just kidding, chat. But what were you handling on BridgeMind? Were you building it? Damn, man, homie leaking information out here. We're getting the tea, chat. Everybody sip your tea, man. Let me turn off the AC. It's getting too chilly out here. Jay coming in with some serious vibes. No way, was there a coin chat? I don't believe that, chat. I've never seen that. Thanks for the support, really cool community. Nice. Well, let's say I'm more OG on front-end design, Blue, and old school marketing and sales, you know what I mean? Vibe coding, I've just been in this shit for 2 years, 3 years to be real. But I'll tap into your streams, Blue, for sure. One day, and Banders. Damn, man, that's crazy, chat. That's crazy. We got all the tea right now. I ain't gonna say nothing, chat. I ain't gonna react to it. Let's ring the bell. Let's do... Oh, baby, the city is open, man. Fuck it, let's run it copyright free, chat. Oh, man, I love this. Look at the cars flowing in and out, chat. Damn, man, this is sexy, chat. I ain't gonna lie. If we go full screen. Nice, 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 nice. That's crazy. JJJ, you got a criminal record, man. I don't know what to do with you, Jay. Shout out to you, Mystic. We'll hold our tongues all. That's what we're about in this community, not speaking ill. But shout out to you, Mystic. Real recognize real, you know the vibes. Damn, man. Banned everywhere, chat. Yeah, Tabis, the WordPress one is already done, man. I don't know, I'm already on to new projects. It's already a new day, Tabis. We're making money every single day, Tabis. Especially last week was a bit slow for me in Fiverr because I was taking, let's say, organizing some personal stuff. But this week we're gonna run it hard again, chat. Alright, KG, if you vouch, I vouch. If you vouch, I trust it, man. If you vouch, I really trust it. What's poppin', Kelly? Welcome to the stream. JJJ, it will never happen here, man. I'll never ban anybody, chat. I will take away blue shields if you abuse it, because with great power comes great responsibility. Kelly, are you joining the Replit Buildathon? Alright, chat, I just want to check this if he did something for me. One moment. Oh, baby! Boom, chat. You know the fucking vibes, man. Ah, amazing. Alright, Kelly, I can't wait to see your submission. I'm gonna submit mine tomorrow, I think. Could you show me the landing page? Also, how much did you charge for it? Tabis, are you talking about this project? This is the landing page. I think about 2K total project, but only landing page build. The client wanted it clean and simple, no images, gentle. But Tabis, get with the program, man, or check the earlier part in the screen. Just scroll back and then come back. But I'm not gonna repeat all the time. Hey, Aldin, chill. Aldin, chill, please, behave. Aldin, you're a representation of the community, behave. Gamer, but I think he dropped it after too much criticism. I feel you, that's a smart move. Carrie, welcome to the stream. We only see your good side. What is my good side, Carrie? Left or right? What do you mean? Is my good side left or right, Carrie? Talk to me, but talk nice to me. I think I've seen some cosmology, Kelly. I think I know what project is yours. Oh, is it Carl? Fuck it, your name's Carrie right now. I'm blind, chat. I'm 40 years old. I can't really read the YouTube chat from here. That's what I read. Carrie Hyde. But I'll call you Carl if it's Carl. Let me see. Yeah, it's Carl. Sorry for that. What's popping, Carl? What's popping, Carl? Welcome to the stream. For sure, Tabis. We got some work to do, Tabis. That's why today. We got some work to do. Yeah, I've got a big problem with names. Jay knows what's up, man. I'm dyslexic, chat, so I can't really read like that. And this is self-diagnosing, chat. Let me give you my other side, Carl. Let me give you my other side, Carl. No, for the entire project, Tabiz, WordPress setup fully A to Z, enough pages. What do you think about this side, Carl? And sorry if I keep calling you Carrie, but now it's mastered in my head and I'm a bit of an idiot, chat. So once I train myself to say something, you know how it goes. Like, complicated life, chat, complicated life. Oh, Carl. Thank you, though. Thank you, though, chat. I've been getting a few compliments today. I appreciate you guys. You guys make up for the Tonys in the chat, you know what I mean? All love, Tony. All love. Chat. Yo, guys, funny as hell. All right, let's see. Let's go back home. I'm loving this already. I do want the box to be a bit wider, maybe. Exactly, Kelly, so you know what's up. You can't blame me personally. Alright, find my route. Shit, I should make it girl or boy and then they should be able to choose. I feel on this screen that the text is not readable, so we might have to do something for that screen. Next. I feel like this text is not readable enough on the screen, and we might just have to go to 3 each time for the demo and just do 3 steps to get to the next screen, let's say. You can cut out the what kind of work day question. You can cut out the what kind of work day question. You can leave the what already makes you feel comfortable question, and then you can remove the last question. So 3 questions in general. Oh, Kelly, nice. Send us when the video is on YouTube. Wow, Kelly, send us that. Send us that YouTube video, chat. Carl, thanks for subscribing, Carl. Big W to you. All right, let's wait till he's done and then we get 333. And I want a question. This will leave. And then I want to change the loading screen, chat. I want a new scene setup, and on the board in the middle, instead of blocks and circles, I want all the logos of the platforms that we provide. Those are Fiverr, Upwork, Replit, Etsy, Shopify, Roblox, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and whatever we discussed earlier. And also make sure that the avatars don't move around too much, or it makes the looping animation look stupid because they're doing the same move over and over. Get me that new video so I can upload it behind it. I also don't like this circle loading animation, so instead of that I'm going to send you a new video. Make me a second video as well, and that's basically the video once I leave the reception and come to this route building. So I need another walk-in animation that I can put between the scenes. So that means I will continue walking past the reception into the next room. Give me the 2 videos here. Alright chat, so wait till I get that new video. W's in the chat, you know the vibes, brother. I saw the credits, 49 on Fiverr. I thought it's the price course. I saw the credits on Fiverr. I have no idea what you mean, Tony, but the course is absolutely free. $vibeclub.com. Whoever joins during stream, let me know, and I will approve your account. Tony, I'm gonna have to think about yours. Is the project you're building? No, this project is for the Replit Designathon. You should know that. We worked here a week in the design interface, chat. You see the total setup that we had, the offices and everything. Let it load because Replit is a bit slow on that end. Alright, study. Let me approve a few accounts now for you guys. I'm working in Seedance too, Kelly. Using Hicksfield on both platforms. Oh, Omar tried to sign up again. Shout out Omar. W's in the chat for Omar, please. Anmol, I'm approving you. Bazunga, I'm approving you. And LM Legacy, I'm approving you. Alright chat, let's just wait till this loads. Let's let this video load. Happy Monday everybody, by the way. Happy Monday. Come in with that energy that Kelly came in with. And then we're all gonna be getting successes, chat. Chat, this is what we started with it initially, but this world was a bit too childish. So then we started, this is all made in the Replit design, chat. And look here. Ah, here was our initial world, chat. Oh, chat, Mystic.
At Mystic 19, they gifted MVP X 250 jewels.
Chat.
MVP.
Chat, if you send a super chat, I don't know if that's the same like Jules, but you can send a custom message on super chat. But shout out to you, Mystic. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate it. Everything goes back in the community for sure. So if you do send, I would say do a super chat, then you can send a funny message or whatnot. You know the vibes. I don't know what jewels are, chat. I have no idea what jewels are. Absolutely, AI is keeping me awake non-stop for the last 8 months, Kelly. I've barely gone to bed, I'll tell you that. Oh, baby. Look at that, chat. Here, chat, we had our design here from the city. That's crazy, man, where we come so far. That's crazy, we've come a long way, chat. We've definitely come a long way.
At Mystic 19, they gifted Jammin X 200 jewels. Jammin.
Jammin. He said jammin. Thank you, chat. Thank you, chat. Thank you, Mystic. Shout out, Mystic. I know everybody thinks he's 19 years old, chat. But he's not 19, he's 38 if I remember right. So he's OG. But that shows how dedicated he was with his that shows how dedicated he was with his username. Tony on some fuck shit. Tony, you're such a, you're getting a bad name, Tony. You're already in the back of the class. Tony. Don't make me run the memes, Tony. Don't make me run the memes, homie. Alright, let's see if he's building it up. Oh, why did he go pink? Boom, 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 boom. Can't wait. Oh, I can't wait. I need the two new scene videos, chat. Once I get those. What, is that mofo still building? Approved, but put Fiverr, Claude, Codex and Replit in the front and the social media icons on the back. Or is it gonna be spinning? Tony, you're really not funny, man. I wonder if you're really 41 years old, Tony. I really wonder if your ass 41, man. I ain't gonna lie. Tony on some 1,000 cents. He took time to type that, chat. Shit, Kelly. It feels like high school right now here with Tony. It definitely feels like high school with Tony, I ain't gonna lie. Don't worry, Mystic. That's how people see the difference. That's what I mean, chat. Present yourself the right way because the universe is looking at you, man. And online, offline, on stream, off stream, anonymous, not anonymous, present yourself correct, chat. Tony. Damn, chat, I'm excited to get Skilly Club officially pushed. I need those 2 videos though. At this point, I'm just gonna be the teacher that ignores you. Or ignores BS. I can't give a laugh. You gotta make me laugh. Tony, I can't laugh with lame ass jokes, man. I can't laugh with jokes that my little nephew who's 5 years old would make, you know what I mean? Like, I laugh with my own jokes. I just laughed because I told myself a joke, Tony. Stop the cap, man. Stop the cap. Tony. No, oh, Tony, huh? Tony, are you a dad, Tony? Dad jokes, oh, that could be a good definition, Roa. That explains indeed the jokes, man. That definitely explains it. Shout out to you, Tony. Sub up, Tony. I'll show you the way, man. Tell it, spell. Kelly. If you can tell it in the chat, tell it. Or have your you tell the joke on a voice memo in the Discord, Kelly. I'm curious now. All love, we never have hate here. Roa knows what's up. We never operate with hate, chat. We only operate with love. Even though it sounds hippy dippy, it really is the key to success, chat. If you approach every single thing with kindness, chat, I'm telling you. Nah, in the Discord, nothing's inappropriate, Kelly. That's not even a joke, Tony. That's just racist. Like, that doesn't even make... Like, I don't know where the jokes are coming from. Tony, can you add one value point? What are you building, Tony? Can you tell me one thing that you've vibe coded? Please. Please. One thing that you've vibe coded. One thing that you've built that you're proud of. Or do you just go around effing around? %, Roa. I agree, man. Be kind. That is the secret to everything. Well, Kelly, I think we're from around the same generation. So I guess we're on the same pop culture, right? Tony, there's a bad jokes, man. You gotta come with better jokes, Tony. Don't get offended, Tony. If you can dish it out, you gotta take it in, homie. Let's fucking go, Sizion. I don't know who you are, Sizion, because I haven't seen your name here before, but let's go, man. Shout out to you. Sending nothing but blessings to that account. Let us know what it is on Friday. I got freelance Friday. But Sizion, you gotta make sure that it's Seller Plus, right? And not the regular Fiverr Plus, right? Seller Plus. Can you confirm that? It's Seller Plus. Tell me if it's Seller Plus that you got and not the Plus. Yes, Sizion. That's very good. That's very good. Because the Plus is for the buyers. Just got Fiverr. Yeah, I was here a week ago and I said, I must have missed your name, Sizion. Sorry, man. Definitely drop it in the category in the classroom. If you go to the classroom on Dollar Vibe Club, you can drop your profile here. And then I'll review it on Friday, chat. On Friday, I go through all the profiles. Seller Plus is a membership that Fiverr sells to the sellers. And it gives you some access to tools. And as you grow, you get more and more features. Seller Plus also shows to Fiverr that you're a real person and that you really care about Fiverr and you're really ready to lock in and to get it done. Alright, Sizion, shout out to you, man. Congratulations. I know out of experience talking with people here in the chat, it's already a huge milestone just setting up the account and getting your first gig going, chat. You got sales skills? I've got sales skills for sure, chat. I love sales. Sales is the foundation of every business. Sales is what brings in the money, chat. And if there's no money coming in, it's not a business, chat. Alright. The Fiverr is good on my end. Come on, I want these 2 videos just to add in after the 3rd animation. I couldn't get my number verified and support wasn't responding for 3 days. Great, Sizion. But it's you that's finding ways and it's you that's putting the time in it. I promise you, Sizion, you don't want to know the times that I've spent in it 3 years ago when I started. I would do it, but it's too intimidating something for someone will not like. Spell strike, Kelly, that's the wrong way to look at it, and you've already built amazing stuff. You've got the power of Replit in your hands. That's very, very bad to think that it's intimidating. It shouldn't be, Kelly. And if it feels intimidating at the start, just offer a better budget to your clients and add value on price. Some people just don't even got money to start a website. You could do it 5 pages for $500. Don't be intimidated, Kelly. That'll stop you from starting. Oh, Tom. Yeah, I did. And shout out to you. I shouted you out yesterday. I did get verified. Shout out to you, man, for telling me. I did get verified yesterday on YouTube. I set up my account and got some good early impressions, but no projects yet. Alright, Mystic, I'm rooting for you, man. I would love to see your account as well. I did, Roa. We got YouTube verified. It is good to be verified, chat. It adds a whole lot of value to community building. So that's a very, very good one that you said, Tom. Thank you for that, man. Tom, by the way, Tom, if you're ready after the stream, I'm gonna stream still for 30 minutes. And then I'm down to just ping you on Discord real quick if you're free. And if not, we can do it later. But I'll be streaming still 35 minutes, chat. And while the agent is working, chat, I'm gonna take a stretcher. Give me 1 minute and I'll be right back. I'm gonna take a bathroom break while I'm at it as well, chat.
Before they even do, I don't know what you want me. Everything you
Alright, chat round 3. Sorry, I missed the chat. Let me get into it. What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Got verified. Ayo, yes. I'm still dependent on my parents, so yeah, making them daily. Hustling on Upwork is good. Congratulations. Yes. Alright, call you after the stream. Me and Velox want to make a big project for both of us. What do you prefer to make? What are your ideas, thoughts? Ask away, Velox. Ask away. I'm good. Tom. Come here, bro, please. We need you. Tell me, Velox. I'm just an ordinary. Everybody's ordinary here. Thoughts. Everybody's chill here. Oh, everybody. Thoughts. I know you're young blood, but one of the things is never get hyped up by status. Just get hyped up by the person's personality. Thoughts. Are we done with the video? What do you want to ask me, Velox? Before I go offline, we've got 30 minutes. Let me pop the stream back on my face. Boom, boom. You can have, I'll tell you, thoughts. I've met so many people in life. Thoughts, I'm 40. You know it. So I'm just telling you, it's a life lesson. Is judge people on personality. And you'll save a lot of time in the future moving forward. Alright, thoughts. I want to get you guys collabing and tell me what ideas you got. We want an idea. Oh, let me come up with an idea. What could we have them build, chat? That's out of scope. I'll come up with an idea for you guys by tomorrow or Wednesday. Alright, young bloods? But I want to get you guys to work and I'll pitch the idea on stream. So the whole stream is going to be watching you guys to deliver that project. The whole stream is going to support you guys as well once you built it. And I'll make sure it's a cool idea. And I'm going to be very strict like I am to my nephew. Because with the young bloods, sometimes we got to be strict. Hard work. Hard work! Light work. The Floyd Mayweather one is hard work, easy money. Hard work, easy money. Shout out Floyd, man. Floyd funny as hell, fighting with 50 all the time. Come on, get me the video, man. The first video that I'm adding here, I want you to use that as a transition. They walk into the next scene, and then once the maker market shows, use the new video for the maker market that I'm sending here. Let's criticize it. Roa. Where's Roa? I'll do it for Roa. Roa, send it one more time, man. I've got so many messages in my Discord. It's really hard to keep up sometime. Where did you send it, Roa? In Project Showcase? Roa, Purpleless Fun. Give your day a little glow. Welcome to your new favorite corner. Alright. I like that. The first thing I would do is put a nice 3D animated loop video of different corners. Small toys, silly games, and no reasons to be here except to have a little fun and fix your mood. This is kind of like tip-tap games, so I would tell you, go build a game on tip-tap games. Go build a game on tip-tap games. You should build a game on tip-tap games, man. I like the concept because we have the same concept with tip-tap games. Obviously, it's very basic, Roa, so I can't say a whole lot about it. I like the concept. I had the same concept when I gave the hackathon a week ago. You got 1,400 visitors, so that ain't bad. Oh, chat, we got Fiverr message coming in. Oh, let me go to Fiverr sales. Yeah, it's Monday. Everybody starts the week on Monday, so by end of the week it will probably... Oh, okay, we got the 2 videos. Let's do that first. So, full room loop. Damn. Download them so I can open them in the Finder and just drag them into Replit. Thank you. More Money Monday, chat. That's why usually I tag it More Money Monday, but it's okay. No, I really hope, Kelly, if you're still here, I really hope you don't make it feel intimidating, because you've already put results, what you could put in your profile, like you're a winner of the Replit Buildathon. Like, you shouldn't be feeling intimidating like that. Yeah, we're gonna make Tip Tap Games. We're gonna bring that to 1 million users, chat. With the team that we're gonna try and get behind it. Well, we've already got great developers behind it, and that's all run by Quad. And I think I can market it to 1 million users for sure. So Kelly, just a shout out to you. You've been on camera, you've been on the YouTube, you've been on the Discord, you've already won. Don't make it feel intimidating. That's all I'm saying, Kelly. And at least try, I would argue. You've got nothing to lose. And you've got a nice resume, Kelly, so... Alright, let's run this, baby. Come on, load up. Boom. Let's go back home. And let's see how that pans out, chat. Chat, what do you think about Sunday night? Me, Aldin, Sem, and Hunter playing Minecraft hardcore, trying to do what Hunter and Kai are doing. See if it's really that hard. What do you think, chat? Should we do Sunday Funday Minecraft? Hardcore mode. Play till we die. What do you think, chat? Alright, thoughts. The young bloods want to see it. Aldin, could you get that server up and running by Sunday, you think? Or I just want to play what Kai and Speed are playing. I want to see if it's really that hard, because those motherfuckers keep dying and dying in that game. It's really crazy. Okay, we got the agent thinking here. This agent can put to rest for now. Alright, we're gonna run it, and I'm gonna title it something like doing the Speed and Kai challenge. Seeing if it's really that hard, chat. Chat, don't forget, sign up to the Dollar Vibe Club if you haven't yet. It's gonna be free forever. I've got a whole lot planned once the Designathon ends. What we were doing basically last week, we get to finish that. Nice, nice, nice. Kelly, nice. I'll be checking the Buildathons tomorrow, chat. Let's post on X, chat. Last day, Replit Designathon. Things are falling in place. Excited to submit my official build soon. Nah, Tony. I would answer that if some other people answer, but let's just say I'm comfortable, and let's just say that I believe financial freedom is what allows me to be creative on all scales that I do. And I'll leave it at that, but I'm not gonna give you a precise number. So basically, let's say I'm very comfortable, Tony. Don't forget, Tony, I've been doing this shit for 25 years. So I've got multiple companies, brands, agencies, and Fiverr is what I show you guys. You can see exactly in my title what I make on YouTube and what I show on YouTube. That's my main side hustle, Tony. but very comfortable and able to build and build and build without distractions or stress, chat. And that's the most important, chat. That's the goal. Damn, man. Kelly, thoughts kept you up. Thoughts kept you up all night. Tony, I'll give you a little mathematics for yourself, okay, Tony? You've got my main package for vibe coding, and it's at 2K, alright? And I've done over 45 orders in the last 3 months since I've been streaming, so I'll help you. I'm not gonna say anything, but you do 45 times 2,000, and I used to be way higher, and 2,000 isn't even my price. I always send custom offers, chat, but just do that. And then you divide that by 3 months, chat. So I'm not saying if it's true or not. I'm just saying if you put in the work, chat, the opportunity is unlimited. No, you don't make 100 million a month, Tony. Not at this stage. Not yet. What's poppin', Noxious? No, 100 million a month, chat. Then I'm buying an island and nobody will see me ever again, chat. 100 million a month, homie said. Tony, can I ask you how much you're making every month? Real talk. In pounds, how much you making every month? Alright, let's test it, chat. Boom. Boom. Perfect. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Ah, is he gonna make me walk? That's... Alright. Nice, baby. Nice, baby. Alright. I want the selection here. One moment, chat. So basically, I'm typing the box here. Done. Upload. On this screen, I want you to move the boxes, so optimize everything to follow our initial screens and make sure it doesn't overlay the icons on the bottom. I got my dad giving me like 50k a month. I just vibe but not coding. Alright, Tony, you blessed, man. You blessed, man, but I know a lot of people like that. Those are usually the most unhappy people, so I do hope you're happy, Tony. As soon as you make 10k a month, thoughts, you'd never think about money again. I promise you. Aldin, welcome back, man. We just asked you, how realistic is it to get Minecraft ready by Sunday so that we can play? You, me, Sem, and Hunter run Minecraft hardcore like Sky and Speed. Well, I've had a slow week, Beefed. I had a slow week last week. I've been busy traveling. I was traveling 10 days. I didn't really work. But now I'm going to be picking it up. So you'll be seeing the revenue pump up real fast, real soon. Today we had a great sales day, chat. I think we did 2-3 sales today. So I'm not complaining. And I'm very honest about my revenue, Beef. If I didn't have a good week, I'm not going to make up numbers. You know what I mean? We keep it real out here. And if my revenue is not going up, my YouTube numbers are going up. So you gotta focus, you gotta pick and choose your battles every week, Beef. But welcome to the chat, Beef. I don't know if I know you from before. Island is a good idea. I already got it ready, sir. Alright, Aldin, let's go. Hardcore mode, stream it on Sunday. Minecraft Sunday stream. Hey, add me as well, I'm playing Minecraft. Alright, Roa, I'll add you as well. But I want you to be a viewer as well. Nah, I might need you to be a viewer, Roa. You need to be vibe coding and making money on that Fiverr profile. Alright, let's test it one more time. Alright, I'm definitely going to change these videos, but we still got an entire day, chat. ...2018. That's like Huh? 2018 is a couple of years ago. Can I come to Thailand and we go to the beach having parties? Well, Tony, that's the difference between you and me, man. We're different. We move different. I don't do parties, Tony. I don't do parties, man. I'm 40 years old. I only do big celebrations when I've got lifetime achievements. I don't go to parties. I don't go to dumb shit. I don't go to clubs. I don't go where there's 50 people at once, chat. I don't like standing between a crowd. That's why you and me are different, Tony. We're the same age, but we're different, man. Aldin, you need to chill, man. I'm gonna put you back in the class, far, far back. 40 years, you know the vibes, man. Come correct, Tony. Tony playing all day, chat. Tony is the jester of the stream today, chat. Tony, the jester of the stream. But it's fun, I'm having fun. It keeps me sharp, chat. I like some mofos in the chat. Keeps me sharp. But Tony knows it, man. Tony knows it. Let me send one, chat. Tony knows it.
By order of the Peaky Blinders.
That's the vibe we follow, chat. And Tony,
You're broke! You're fucking poor!
that's the best sound effect I got on my board, chat. I'm sorry, I can't lie. Tony, I feel like
You're broke! You're fucking poor!
it's about taking care of the people around you. It's about taking care of the people around you, Tony. As long as I'm happy and the people around me are taken care of, that's all I care about, Tony. You think I work to go spend money in a club like a retard? Tony, you and me on a different game, man. Definitely. If that... You're funny as hell, Tony. Well, I tell you, chat, there's two types of people that come to Thailand. People like Tony that get lost in the sauce, and people like me, chat. I ain't gonna cap, man. Two, 3 years. Tony, this is for you.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now! Stop the cap! No bullshit, bro.
No bullshit, Tony. Oh, baby, welcome to the lobby. Alright, that's nice, but I don't like this. Well, it does show Replit in the front, so that's the main one for the Designathon. Tony, we define fun very differently, Tony. I'm sure that we define fun very differently. I'm having a lot of fun what I'm doing right now. Streaming and talking and yapping to you. I have a lot of fun when I take a 5-star holiday for 10 days and disappear on the planet of the Earth. I love to ball out. I love to be able to pull up anywhere I want. I love to fly business class. Tony, I'm telling you, man, we're very different people, Tony. If you have no way of... If you think fun is parties, you're lost, homie. You're lost. If you think... And that's probably because you get money from your dad. Then it's easy to go spend your dad's money. But ask your dad what your dad really thinks about you spending his money. He really is that one annoying friend. That's very well said, Aldin. He's that one that's asking, saying these things, man. Tony don't know what's up, chat. Tony lost, unfortunately. It's all good. One day we'll get there. Hey, Tony. You know the vibes, man. Yeah, money. Anyway, Tony, let you talk to my homie, Connor. No, I'll leave it, chat. Tony's sweet. Tony not hostile. Tony just sounds depressed, to be really honest, chat. Tony ain't even on that hostile shit. He just depressed, I think. Exactly, fun is subjective. 100%. No, Aldin, don't ban him, don't ban him. No bans, Aldin, please. No bans. No bans. Leave Tony here. We might be able to get Tony less depressed and more happy, chat. You never know, chat. You never know who you meet in life. You know what I mean? And maybe I'm that dude for Tony. Maybe Tony's that dude for me. You never know, chat. Lantern Lane. Nah, Tony, no beef, Tony. Just be back on that low-key depression shit. Don't be like, that's that. We are having fun. Don't worry, no fighting, chat. Chat, one more time for everybody in the chat. We don't do that out here. You know the vibes.
No fighting. Wait.
No fighting.
No fighting. No fucking fighting. No fighting. No fucking fighting!
Alright, chat.
Good.
Tony, chill, man. I love the banter, chat. Tony's funny. I'm just trying to tell Tony to be less depressed and we'll be good. Oh, I like them shoes actually, chat. I should get those in real life. Shout out, Blue. I do hope you don't get Tony in the first day back, Blue. I do hope you don't get Tony. All love, that's exactly. Kindness is the key to success, chat. Kindness without any expectation, chat. If you can master that skill, it's the master key to life, chat. You always need one jester, Aldin. We on that Lux Maxing community, we always need one jester. Absolutely. Tony, please let me know you're still here, man. Drop a W. Just for shits and giggles, Tony. I can talk to you a bit more UK if you need. In it, Tony. A fun Monday. Man, I have respect for my brother Tommy. Alright, Tony. But no insulting, Tony. I just said no fighting, Tony. Tony. And it's a Minecraft. He's building a Minecraft server for the stream, Tony. Chill. Yeah, I'll just pull back, chat. Everybody just say this to yourself, man. Chat, let me run it one time for you guys, because I think everybody needs this right now. One moment, chat. Everybody ready? Let's do it all together, chat.
Woosah.
One more time, chat. One more time.
Woosah.
Together, chat. That's from before your time, Roa. Let's everybody just woosah right now, chat. Let's everybody just woosah right now. Let's everybody woosah. Yeah, your Minecraft. When is the Cuban cigars coming instead of weed? Abbas, I've never been a cigar person, Abbas, but I have been thinking about getting into it, Abbas. But I would have to actually learn to appreciate it, Abbas. Maybe once or twice I've smoked a cigar, chat, just out of respect for someone that offered it to me. But right now, smoking that pure J ganja, chat, is really tight. We could have a cigar talk stream, chat. We could do cigar talks on the stream. That's a good idea. Nah, Aldin, what you saying? What are you saying? Nah, that's not true. Nah. Isn't it clock or what is it done? Shit, where's the timer? Skilly ship. Yeah, this one. Nah, look, we got over 30 hours, chat. 35 hours. Shippy timer, thank you, Roa. I only smoked a cigar the day my son was born. Oh, nice, Mystic. Congratulations, by the way. Being a father is one of the goals I haven't been able to unlock yet, Mystic, but that's one of my distant dreams. But we gotta get sure we generational wealth sorted, Mystic, so I can just focus on the family type vibe. No, your clock is wrong. Yeah. What time zone is yours? No, the time stays the same. The zone doesn't change, Alden. I definitely am gonna marry one day, Roa. I just don't know when. Right now, I'm married to my job and the community here. Right now, I'm married to my Fiverr clients, and in sickness and in health, I gotta get the work done. You know what I mean, chat? And ain't nobody gonna run it for me. Oh, they put a timer? Ah, you're right, Aldin. Submissions. Damn, man, your ass smart, boy. Damn, thank you for saving me, Aldin. Thank you for saving me. Nah, KG, you're good, man. I'm tapping out of that one. I'm tapping out of that scene up there. I'm not involved in that scene, KG. Gotta get from behind that computer. Spell, Kelly, trust me, I'm way behind the computer. The moments I'm not behind the computer, chat, life is amazing. But for now, we gotta run it, chat. I said 7 more months. Baby mamas. What do you know about baby mamas out there in Iraq, Abbas? What do you know about baby mamas out there? As a dad, waiting is better in my opinion. And I had no idea. Well, Mystic, I would debate. That would be a debate, Mystic, because I think you get something. The love that you get to give, the care that you get to give, creating a new person. Like Kelly probably can vouch, she's got kids. I wouldn't know how it is, chat. I just see it from the outside. My family has kids and my friends, and I just see something change in those people. I don't know, it's kind of a happiness you can't stop, I guess. But Mystic, I do understand if you're the dad, you're responsible for the entire family operation. So then I understand that you've got to lock in and doing those things together. And that's the only reason I chose not to have any family right now, chat. I don't want to put my family through what I've been through the last 25 years, if you know what I mean. And I still got about 2 years to go, chat, and then I'm gonna tap out and Hunter takes over. Aldin, thank you very much for reminding me, man. 20 kids, who knows, man? I might be a sperm donor, chat. I'm not gonna leak it. Please don't get me wrong, but isn't 40 kinda late to marry? Absolutely not, Roa. Absolutely not, man. That you're never, you define age, and 40 isn't 40 years ago. 40, I'll probably end up living to 120, 150 with AI, technology and all that shit. 40-year-old virgin, chat. I'm absolutely a virgin, chat. I'm so sleepy. PR, damn, we didn't even hit that 5 a.m. out here. Normally you go to bed around 5 a.m. my time, PR. But shout out to you, man. Abbas got 4 wives. I ain't gonna lie, Abbas might know something about baby mamas out there, man. Aldin, I don't know, he's a virgin. You know the vibes, man. Thailand, I am, but Jay, I took a different route than Tony in Thailand, man. It's a movie. 3, so true. Kelly knows it, exactly. You got plenty of time. That one good thing about being a guy. That's true, Blue. I feel you on that part. Makes sense. Kelly understands it. Ah, yes, the same actor from The Office. Michael Scott, one of the best actors in the world, chat. Michael Scott, shout out Michael Scott. Tony, shout out to you, man. Let's build it up. Let's be a community. Let's be homies, Tony. It's never too late. I submitted my project already, so it is what it is. I don't know what else to do. Please stop the cap. One more time.
Stop the cap.
What's poppin', Deep Moon? Welcome. Thank you for subscribing, Deep Moon. I haven't seen you here before. Welcome to the stream. We're about to end the stream. We had a very good session. 3 hours in, chat. We're about to end the stream, then I'm gonna submit the project and then I'll continue building behind the scenes. Jay, we're building the future. Put on your seatbelt, lock in. Jay predicted it, man. Clap it up for Jay. Jay knows the future chat. Deep Moon, I'm about to log off, so go check my stream from the beginning and you'll know what I'm doing. Sem, welcome to the stream, gang. Sem, if you are free. Sunday night, Minecraft, hardcore, killing 4 bosses, same challenge as Speed and Kai. Same challenge as Speed and Kai. Steve Carell, exactly, Mystic. I used to watch him as Steve Carell, but Aldin already set up the server, Sem. And we play hardcore mode only. Alright, I'll play the diss track as an outro, that's for sure. Thanks for reminding me. I just got here and stream already. KG, man. KG. I know, man. I'm coming back with those. We're about to end the stream, Hardhead. We just cooked it. I'll show you what we got. We got a little thing. I just got to work on some copy. Here you go. Pulling up to the office. You make your selection. You just run through it. You go to the other office and then we present a platform where you can make money on. And you know it, Fiverr, Upwork, Replit, there's enough platforms to make money on. And then I just got to fine tune this part and then you'll go to Lantern Lane. And Lantern Lane will take you to the co-work space where you can start working, making your profiles, building something. And then you got to complete a checklist. And then once it's done, you kindly get a PDF back. And that's the design that we built, chat. It isn't the full app. No, not the diss track. Play the one we made for the intro. Alright. I'll play the intro song, chat. Give me a moment, chat. Let's log out. Go full screen. Tony, I'll give a special shout out to you. No malicious feelings. I hope you come correct and I hope to see you here more. But you were good banter today, so thanks for that. Shout out Aldin, PR, Jay, Hunter for being here. Quad for being here. Chat, shout out to Tip Tap Games. Shout out to Dollar Vibe Club. Be sure you join both platforms. Whoever joins Tip Tap Games now, you'll reap the benefits very soon. This week we're still busy with the Designathon, but trust me when I tell you we got some good shit planned. Chat, let's get that music clip banging. And wait, chat, give me one moment. I'm going back to the scene. And I'm going to put Tony on the screen today, chat. Tony was the naughty kid in the classroom. So Tony was the YouTube kid in the room. So we'll put him on screen today, chat. You all know who it is, chat. You all know who Tony is in the room. He's the kid in the back of the class, chat. Don't worry. Let me run the song, chat. Oh, we got another Fiverr message. One moment, chat. Before we close up, let me see if it's a new brief. No, it's a client. Okay, I'll follow that up. Let me go to Aldin's Discord. Aldin. Second track. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it, chat. And this is Tony on the screen.
I tap the code and I tap the screen. Built my lane from a late night dream. Camera on and the chat goes wild. One clean shot and I level up style. Every line hit, every clip go viral. New post up, now the room goes spiral. From my desk to the big league call. All I don't chase luck, I just take it all. I climb higher, hands on the keys, eyes on fire. Say my name when the count goes up. I can't do it now, I won't stop. Dollar vibe, seat love, dollar vibe love. CEO taught me, let it come up. Agency, corporation, watch me rise. Millionaire life in my own eyes. Dollar vibe, seat love, dollar vibe love. Big league moves, yeah, that's my club. Fast lane, baby, I don't play. I make my vibe and I made my way.
The diss track.
Tommy MC, you a cheap knockoff. Talk big online, and the person you soft off. Hands in your pockets when the pressure get near. Smile for the pic, then you vanish, disappear. You post little threats with a borrowed up voice, but your whole little act came with somebody else's choice. Fake tough talk, all bark, no bite. Your name sound loud, your work stay slight. You ran out of room when the truth showed up. Now your little fan club gotta watch you fold up. I know that look when the mask don't fit. You built on fumes and it shows in it. Say my name again if you want that smoke. Say my name again, you already broke.
Tommy Yip stays, say less, say less. Tommy Yip stays, you stress, you stress. Tommy Yip stays, no press, no press. You all cap, no cap, no cap. Tommy Yip stays, you fall.
Let's call it a day. Chat, I want to say my daily outro. It was fun today with everybody. Thank you for being here. Shout out to you, Kelly. And again, Kelly, I hope to see your Fiverr profile on Freelance Friday. That being said, chat, you know how it's closed. Peace on the streets, no fucking fighting, and keep vibe coding.